Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's MRCs. Today's video. So basically this is brief. I'll be showing you something. So for example, you already have the data and you really want to turn this into a table. So the easiest format is you just click anywhere in the table, then you press Ctrl T. So when you press Ctrl T, this comes to you. Then it tells you where is the data for your table. So this is the selection. If you try to notice, this is the selection. Then usually you have to tick this because it is telling us my table has headers. So these are the headers. So once you do that, so this becomes a table. So and you can rename your table. You can give it a name, maybe like brands. You can just rename it brands. Yeah, that is okay. Then maybe you can insert slicers. You can remove duplicates from the table. But the other most important thing is when you are working around this, like for example, if you want to convert it back to into its normal range, you usually have to come back here. Now you don't want it back. You don't need it as a table. So you want to you want to turn it back to its normal, the way it was with no this. Usually what people do, it's more of like it's locked. They usually press Alt D F F F. So they remove it and they have converted it back to how it was. Let me just type it here. It is the Alt button, then plus the D, then plus then Alt D, then F, then F. So this can take it back to its normal range. Then once you click here, it's still our table, but it doesn't have the drop downs. If you press Ctrl T, it's still this is the table. You get, so this is the table. So what you do usually, you just have to come here. Then it will ask you, do you want to convert the table into the normal range? Then you say yes. And now this will be okay. If you try to notice, there is no table design here. So it goes back to its normal or original format of how it was. Basically, this video has been just brief to just give you a highlight of how to navigate this issue in case you come across it when you're looking at your data. Basically, that is it for today, and have a nice day. Thank you.